Next, let's talk about variables. There are a few rules when it comes to actually naming your variables. The first of which is variable names are case sensitive. Lowercase name and uppercase name are different variables. Variables must start with a letter or an underscore. Variables can have numbers, but cannot start with a number. And lastly, special characters are not allowed inside your variable names. So, how do we create these variables? Well, in programming, we call that declaring a variable. And we do so by simply giving it a name. In this case, I'm going to call my variable x, and then we tell it what it's equal to. So I'm going to say my x is equal to 1. Now, 1 is a whole number. In programming, it's referred to as an integer. So I'm going to use what we learned just now. I'm going to leave myself a comment to remind myself that this is an integer. So I'm going to say integer or int. You'll see it referred to in Python. Next, I'm going to declare another variable. I'm going to call this one y. I'm going to say that's equal to 2.5. Now 2.5 is a decimal number or decimal point number, also referred to as a float in Python. Next, I'm going to leave one more variable, and I'm going to call that name. And this is a string. So if you see something between sets of quotes, you know it's a string. And these are different data types.